AI chatbots getting hijacked, routers shipping with secret backdoors, and a year that's already breaking breach records. Buckle up. Today's cyber news is a lot. TechCrunch has rounded up the most damaging breaches of 2026 so far, and the list is grim. Organizations across sectors have been hacked, had data leaked publicly, and faced ransomware demands. If your threat model hasn't been updated this year, today is the day. A critical flaw in Google's Dialogflow CX platform allowed attackers to inject a rogue agent and intercept sensitive data flowing through enterprise AI chatbots. Any business using Dialogflow CX for customer interactions was potentially exposed. Google has since patched the issue, but it's a sharp reminder that AI pipelines are attack surfaces too. Researchers discovered a hidden backdoor baked into Tenda router firmware that grants unauthenticated admin-level access to attackers. Tenda routers are widely deployed in homes and small businesses, making this a broad exposure. If you're running one, check for firmware updates immediately and assume your network perimeter is thinner than you thought. A critical vulnerability in Gitea, the popular self-hosted Git service, is now being actively exploited in the wild, according to Security Week. Organizations running their own Gitea instances for source code management are directly at risk. Patch now. Source code repositories are crown jewels, and attackers know it. Spanish authorities arrested a man with alleged ties to 3 threat actor groups: CARE, Z-Pentest, and the prolific pro-Russian hacktivist collective No Name 05716. The arrest signals that European law enforcement is actively pursuing hacktivist infrastructure operators, not just frontline actors. Attribution and arrests in this space are becoming more common and more consequential. A lawsuit targeting deepfake child sexual abuse material has expanded to include XAI and its Grok model, according to Cyberscoop. Plaintiffs allege the AI system can be used to generate or facilitate harmful synthetic content. This case is part of a growing legal wave, forcing AI companies to answer for the real-world harms their models enable. Security researchers have detailed a new Linux privilege escalation technique dubbed Dirty Clone, which can be leveraged to gain root access on vulnerable systems. The technique joins a lineage of Linux kernel exploits that have caused serious headaches for sysadmins. Linux admins should monitor for patches and audit kernel versions across their fleets. Cyberproof has launched an agentic MXDR service that deploys AI agents to autonomously handle detection, investigation, and response tasks. This represents a meaningful shift in how managed security services operate, reducing human bottlenecks in high-volume alert environments. The question for security teams is no longer if AI will be in the SOC, but how much autonomy to grant it. Flashpoint's latest research examines how AI is fundamentally changing the trust calculus in threat intelligence, from AI-generated disinformation to synthetic indicators of compromise. As adversaries use AI to flood intelligence feeds with noise, defenders must build new verification frameworks. The integrity of your threat intel is now itself a security problem. ZDNet's hands-on report details connecting ChatGPT directly to bank accounts via integrations, using it as a daily finance management tool. While the convenience is real, the security implications of granting AI models read access to financial data deserve serious scrutiny. Think carefully about what permissions you hand to any AI app. Convenience and risk often travel together. That's your daily cyber briefing. Stay patched, stay skeptical, and stay informed. Subscribe for tomorrow's episode and check MunMyIP to see what your network is exposing right now.